In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a pass here in Please Donate. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is back out of Please Donate and go to the home section of Roblox.com. And from here, go ahead and sign into your account and select Create up in the top little sidebar option. And then from here, go ahead and select Creations on this left-hand sidebar and choose your public place. Now, keep in mind, this does have to be public, otherwise this will not work. But essentially, once you do go ahead and have this set up, go ahead and scroll down on the left-hand sidebar until you see this monetization tab, and you'll see a passes section in here. Go ahead and select passes to open this up, and then go ahead and select create a pass. From here, you can go ahead and add an image, you can add a name, which is required, and then a description, which isn't required. And whenever you do have this set up the way that you would like, go ahead and hit create pass. After hitting create pass, go ahead and go back to this monetization tab, select passes again, and then scroll down till you see that pass that you just created and open it up. And you'll see your name, your description, and your picture as well. Which let's actually switch it up. That's my new picture for this pass. Essentially, just go ahead and select this little sales option on this left-hand sidebar. And then from here, you'll see an item for sale ticker right here. Tick this on and list your price on here. Just keep in mind, whatever your price is, Roblox is going to take a 30% cut. So if it's 10 Robux, for example, they are going to take 3 of those, and you will be left with 7. Now, what I would also do is recommend putting regional pricing on here. It just makes it more available for everybody, but essentially go ahead and hit save changes down at the very bottom, and just like that, your pass is now going to be public and you can interact with any of those stands and Please Donate, and you'll see your pass appear. I would recommend creating multiple passes just so that you do have them. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.